So here I am in Cleveland going to another one of your favorites, Melt Bar and Grilled.
I need some cheese, please.
You don't hear of a place that just has grilled cheese.
Tell me this place is not off the chain.
Dude, it's bomb, man.
Got a purple Parma going up.
West Side Monte Cristo. It's delicious.
Hot Italian for you?
It's amazing. The food's really good and really awesome grilled cheese sandwiches.
It's the best in Cleveland. I'm a big fan.
So's my Aunt Polly.
The creativeness is just awesome.
Yep, grilled cheese done more than 30 different ways.
Chorizo potato.
By chef and owner Matt Fish,
Parma, Italy working.
who just can't give up his childhood favorite.
I think we can stick anything inside of it and it's still considered a grilled cheese sandwich.
Peanut butter, banana, cream cheese.
Peanut butter banana.
The blackened chicken for you, sir?
When I come here, I only get the big popper.
We got a big popper heading our way.
Kind of like a jalapeno popper, just sandwich form.
Take it for a test drive, my friend.
Wow, dude, that's hot. That tastes like a jalapeno popper. There's even one stuffed with this local favorite.
Giant potato pierogi on there. Parmageddon.
Parmageddon is so Cleveland.
Why does it get called Parmageddon?
First suburb outside of Cleveland going south is Parma. Parma is the Polish hotbed in Cleveland, and pierogies is a main staple.
Okay.
We're gonna start with our grilled bread every time. Turn our saute pan on.
We're gonna add our vegetable oil.
We're gonna brown our pierogies. They're just fresh potatoes, a good hearty cheddar cheese in there. So we brown them real nice on both sides. Add our grilled onions.
Flambe grilled sandwiches.
Look
You never see
out,
that.
girls. Nice soft cabbage for us. So this is the kraut spice that we made earlier today.
Okay.
Vodka. And then some cider vinegar, and that's it. All we're gonna do is just let this get happy, happy, happy.
You are crazy.
I try, man.
I'm telling you, Michael Simon, Eric at Momocho, Heather at Lucky's, and now this cat, I don't know about this town. Crazy people. Okay, so
This is gonna reduce, all the liquid's gonna be gone.
I'm gonna flip the bread.
Oh, please do. Some sharp cheddar cheese goes on both sides of the bread. We do approximately 4 ounces of cheese on every sandwich.
Yeah.
Pierogies down first. All that good caramelization and goes on top.
Easy.
Flipping that bad boy onto the tray, into the meltification machine.
Yes.
3 to 5 minutes in that oven to get this to be the perfect grilled cheese sandwich. All right, let's do this, man. Boom.
Oh, man. Out of bounds. Crunch on the bread, fantastic. Pierogi, great. But the cabbage with the vodka and the cider, it's over the top and around again over the top.
Oh, thank you.
That is one of the best grilled cheese I've ever had. You know who I have to bring in here? Now, Paulie, tell me what you think of this.
That's the bomb. Bursting with flavor.
Oh, thank you.
Bursting.
Pierogies were new to me, so it's nice to have them in a sandwich. Outstanding.
It's hard to describe.
It's so much more than a grilled cheese sandwich.
Our 2 crab cakes.
My idea was to take a 4 to 5 star restaurant, that quality of food,
And the medium
that-
is grilled
that
cheese.
everybody's used to.
Burger on blue cheese.
Everybody loves grilled cheese, and they just do a lot of different neat things to it.